Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm a server at the Winomish Sports Bar and Grill. I'll be your host for this week's SwinTV. Join us this Father's Day for our last night of Reelin' Winnings, and you can walk away with a brand new boat. Visit the Players Club to enter Reelin' Winnings and start earning your entries today. Our final drawing will be on Sunday, June 17th at 6 p.m. One lucky guest will win a Willie fishing boat, fishing rods, and cooler. Whether you're a fishing novice or a seasoned pro, our Reelin' Winnings prizes could give you the ultimate fishing package. This Father's Day, treat your father to a great meal for less. On June 17th, dine at Carver's Cafe, Fatburger Mansion Walk, or Winomish Sports Bar and Grill. Dads receive a complimentary entree with the purchase of one of equal or greater value. If you're looking for an unforgettable Pacific Northwest dining experience, then make sure to place your reservations at 13 Moons this Father's Day. 13 Moons will be featuring a $5 Elijah Craig Bourbon Whiskey Special and a Tomahawk Steak Special for $79. And don't forget, 13 Moons Patio is open for great outdoor dining and breathtaking views. With our major renovation project over, we're taking guests around the property each week to view fun and new features. This week, you're going to hear about the improvements we've made to make your gaming experience fun and comfortable.
Welcome back. My name's Jay Ellenberger. I'm one of the casino GMs here. If you look at our slot machine layout, what we've done is made smaller banks to make it more comfortable for our guests. So we have a lot of banks that only have 2, 4, 6, and 8 games to the bank, so that it gives you more room, more elbow space, and easier to get through the machines and see what we've got available on the floor. So we've added a lot of new games also. By the time we're done, we'll add 200 new boxes on the floor that will give us, the new 3D games, new progressive games, a lot of exciting new titles, new boxes, new comfort level at sitting at the boxes. We're also on one ticketing system. And so we just used the one ticket. We went through some headaches with having 2 tickets, but much better experience today. We also have downloadable credits and e-cash play on the machines. You can do all your bonusing at the machines now, and so much easier experience. And we've also laid out our ticket redemption machines in key places so that you can have better access to them, so you can cash out your own ticket. Another big piece of our gaming floor is the experience with the stage. So what we wanted to do is get everything kind of built onto the floor so you could have access to the stage, listen to the live music that we have on the weekend, and just be a part of the experience. Same with the promotions. By being on the floor with the promotions all in one area, everybody gets the same experience. In the past, we had a separate room for our non-smoking machines, and that just didn't work out. You didn't ever feel like you were part of the experience. Today, it's all in the same room, one big grand space, and so hopefully that's much better for the customers. We believe it's a much better experience. Come check us out. It's a very nice layout.
And that's this week's issue of SwinTV. I brought some of my favorite coworkers with me today. We all just wanted to say hi and come visit us at the Winomish Sports Bar and Grill. Join us next Tuesday for another episode.